Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Arash and today I'm going to talk about Total 2 chart, which is crypto total market cap exclude Bitcoin. And in order to see and understand when altcoins are going to the moon, we need to check this chart, okay? And right now you can see that we had a perfect resistance area all the way up here. And for some glorious moment, Total 2 succeed to break above this all-time high, and right now we are below this level again. I know some people are talking about altcoins are ready to the moon and stuff like that, but in my opinion, as long as Total 2 chart is below this level, there is nothing to be happy about. In order to see altcoins on higher levels, we need to break above this red area, and we need to see Total 2 chart on 1.6 or somewhere around here. Okay, so right now we are below a potential resistance, and also we might have some sort of a stop hunter setup up here. As long as we are below this level and below this potential resistance area, I think we shouldn't be really happy about altcoins. And also we have Total 3 chart, which is crypto total market cap exclude Bitcoin and Ethereum, and as you can see in this chart, we have something similar. Okay, we had a potential resistance area here. For another some glorious time, this chart succeeded to break above this potential resistance area, and right now we are below this level. As long as we are below this level, we shouldn't be really happy about green altcoins, okay, because it might be a small pullback and we might have bigger correction. So in order to see altcoins on higher level, in order to see a real moon in altcoin market, we need Total 2 and Total 3 to break above potential resistance areas. And right now we have some good news about Dogecoin. As you can see, we had a potential support area somewhere around 16 to 18 cents. As you can see, we had a good news here that Tesla is going to accept Dogecoin as a payment method, and right now Dogecoin is below this potential resistance line. If Dogecoin breaks above this bearish trend line, we are going to see Dogecoin on higher levels in the future, and it's going to be really better. And I think the sentiment of altcoins are being changed. Okay, for example, we had a good news here about Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies now accepted by gaming giant Nixon. Cryptos are being accepted by society more and more, and I think the sentiment of altcoins are changing because of Dogecoin. Okay, this news about Tesla was really huge, and it was a big step for cryptocurrency market. And also we had another news about Bitcoin spikes to $49,000 as Fed leaves interest rate unchanged. And we have good news about Shiba, I think every day. Shiba Inu to start trading on Europe's biggest crypto exchange next year. I think we had another good news about Shiba. 43 billion SHIB received by Whale in past 2 days, but only 2 billions left now. As you can see, we are having a bunch of pretty good news about Shiba. And let's check SHIB price. When we have bunch of good news about something, I check the price chart in order to understand what's going on right now. Right now in Shiba, we have a potential support area somewhere around here. Okay, this area is the previous all-time high area. When we reach a potential support like this area can pump the price. Okay, we might see higher levels in Shiba, and we have good news about Shiba almost every day. So in order to see Shiba on higher levels, we need to break above this a small resistance area. Okay, we need to break above 38. If we break above 38 in Shiba, I think we are going to see higher levels. Okay, we need one big 4-hour candle to break above this area, and also advise to wait for the breakout from this big red bearish line. Okay, if we break above this red bearish line, we are going to see Shiba in higher levels because we are having a bearish channel here, and after the breakout from this big bearish channel, we might see Shiba on higher levels too. Okay, so the wise thing right now is waiting for the breakout from this red line. Okay, I'm not going to enter buy position here. I'm going to wait for some breakouts. After the breakout from this red line, I'm going to enter buy position. As you can see, my analysis about Doge and Shiba is similar. We need to wait for breakouts. On Dogecoin, I am waiting for this breakout. On Shiba, I am waiting for another breakout. So right now I have two altcoins into my watch list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget that this video is not a financial advice and I am not your financial advisor. See you later.